Alright guys, so welcome to today's edition of the vlog. Today I want to talk about VR, because VR is actually coming here to Disney. In a very interesting move, 2 years before Star Wars Land will open to the public, there is going to be a new Star Wars VR experience coming to downtown Disney. The sun is just beating down on us. It's been a really hot week here at the parks. I haven't vlogged since Sunday, and even Sunday I was bombarded by Russell Westbrook in that 2-minute video, which I apologize if it's that short. I really wanted it to be like an entire day, similar to how Fresh Baked Disney goes on their day, but I couldn't get it to I was just too distracted by that, and I apologize, but I'm trying to make a shift because school for me starts in 3 weeks, so I won't be headed into the parks much at all. So that means I'll have to do all my recordings one day and post throughout the week, similar to how Fresh Baked does that, and that would have to go 3 episodes a week. You know, all things are good, and we're heading into the dog days of summer. As summer slowly comes to an end, slowly but surely.
Arms, feet, and legs inside the train. And please watch your kids. This is my favorite part of the journey. Around every bend, there's natural.
So later tonight we'll be watching Main Street Electric Parade. 2 or 3 weeks left in its entire final, what a lot of people are saying it's the final run. Hopefully it's not. Looks like there's an unscheduled stop in the new section.
Alright, folks, looks like we're making an unscheduled stop. Please remain seated, and hopefully we will be underway shortly. Once again, we are making an unscheduled stop.
So yeah, Big Thunder, you can see the train up on the hill. And there it goes. Here we go. Oh.
Alright, folks, looks like we have clearance to move forward, so please remain seated while we travel on to Toontown Depot.
Mickey and Minnie Mouse.
Rainbow Caverns.
Toontown Depot.
Nature's Wonderland.
For Mickey's Toontown.
And the dioramas.
Cartoon home where Mickey. We're now steaming forward into the future to a land.
Birdemic. You know, when lightning strikes, that means there's Jackson Storm. Birdemic again. Alright, there's the parade. Look at this crowd. They're supposed to clear that out. We need to clear this area. Oh no. Alright, the parade floats right there. Look at that. I don't think I can erase the coloring, but they gotta move those. There you go. Smart. MVP. Boom, 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 boom.